So owning an RX-7 is not like owning a regular car. You have to worry about things like premix and warm-up procedures and cool-down procedures and making sure that you actually have your cooling system built out. But one of the things that I actually didn't really know about until recently was making sure you update your fuel pulsation damper. Now this little sucker right here actually goes on the far side of the primary fuel rail. The purpose of a fuel pulsation damper is that when the fuel injector is actually shut down and creates a surge on the system, and this little sucker right here helps prevent that shock to the actual fuel system. Now the problem is that eventually they get old and then they split and then they fill up the engine with gasoline. Now the only way you can get to it is by taking off all your entire intake, all your different solenoids for your vacuum systems, take that all out, and then here's your secondary fuel rail back here, and this is your primary fuel rail down here, and way underneath there's your fuel pulsation damper right there. And it's hard to see is way down there is a recess that fills up full of gasoline, and then your exhaust, your intake, it's all on the other side, so you get engine fires. So thankfully I've already replaced this. So if you haven't upgraded or touched your fuel injection system on your FD RX-7 in a long time, I'd highly recommend you do this. This was a flaw, or I guess I wouldn't say flaw, this is just an attribute of old parts getting old and causing engine fires, in addition to other maintenance things you gotta take care of. So hey, just a word of wisdom, replace your fuel pulsation damper or upgrade your fuel system if you want to keep your RX-7 not on fire.